styles like no other. From Africa, Europe, Asia, America. It's Stella Couture, a global brand established since 2005. Welcome to exquisite, glamorous luxury brands. Costume for casuals and ready to wear.
Join me as I take on the challenge of styling a black dress to look super expensive, all for just $1. The concept of looking expensive while spending only $1 sounds like a myth. But trust me, it's achievable. And what better way to do it than with a timeless piece like the classic black dress? It's a wardrobe staple that every girl should have in her closet. So, you might be thinking, is it really possible to look stylish and expensive on a tight budget? The answer is absolutely. The common misconception is that you need to break the bank to look put together and fashionable. But that's not the case. Think about it. When you see someone walking down the street looking chic and fashionable, do you immediately assume they spent a fortune on their outfit? Probably not. It's all about how you style it. It's about the confidence you exude when you wear it. And, of course, the little details that elevate your overall look. The biggest misconception is that fashion is only for the wealthy. That's just not true. Fashion is for everyone, regardless of your budget. It's about being creative, being resourceful, and being willing to experiment with different styles and looks. Let's get started with these styling hacks that will take your black dress from basic to bling-in. The first hack is all about accessorizing. A simple black dress is a blank canvas just waiting for some statement pieces to bring it to life. Accessories can make or break an outfit, and in this case, they're going to make it look like you spent a fortune. Add a statement necklace, a pair of dangling earrings, or even a fun pair of sunglasses to give your look a chic, effortless vibe. But accessorizing is just the beginning. Layering is another great way to add depth and interest to your outfit. Throw on a denim jacket or a cardigan to give your look a more polished feel. And then, of course, there's the shoes. Oh, the shoes. The right pair of shoes can instantly elevate your entire look. Whether it's a pair of stilettos, ankle boots, or even sneakers, the right shoes can make your outfit go from bland to grand. But the ultimate styling hack that will take your black dress to the next level is, drumroll, please, a scarf. That's right. A simple scarf can completely transform your look. You can tie it around your neck, wear it as a belt, or even use it as a headband. The possibilities are endless. Before, our black dress looked, well, basic. But with just a few simple styling hacks, we've turned it into a high fashion statement. The transformation is incredible, and the best part is, it didn't break the bank. So, to recap, looking expensive on $1 budget is all about being creative with the pieces you already have in your closet. It's about experimenting with different styles, accessorizing, layering, and choosing the right shoes. With a little bit of imagination, you can turn a basic black dress into a fashion masterpiece. Thanks for watching, and if you have any styling hacks of your own, be sure to share them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fashion tips and tricks, and check out my next video on budget-friendly accessories that will take your wardrobe to the next level.
Since 2005.